So, hello friends, welcome to Data Learners. So, today we are going to know how to create a Databricks Community Edition account, how to sign up that. So, Databricks, it is a free where we can do operations on our data. We can explore the Databricks, how actually the things works, what kind of different works are there, like notebook, uh, libraries are there, a cluster, how it works. Because in Azure Databricks, if you want to explore that, it will cost you. So this is the free for you to practice. So just search on a Google Databricks Community Edition, sign up and click on sign up for Databricks Community Edition. Yeah, so you will land on this page. After that, you have to go to this thing like to sign up for a Databricks Community Edition. Then click Try Databricks here. Then click on this link. You will redirect to the Create Databricks account. So mention your name, like anything like your email address, valid email address, your company name. Let me try to put our channel name, and where you can also mention as a student. If you are a student, then also you can create it. It is not a mandatory. Phone number is optional. Country, then you have to continue. After that, you have to choose your cloud provider, which one should you use. Like I'm familiar with the Microsoft Azure Databricks, so I'm going to use that. You can choose anyone like Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Service. Now click on continue. So you will redirect to another page. So after that, you will receive an email. From that, you will have a link. In that email, you have to click on that link. You will get redirect to the screen where you have to set your new password for your uh, community service edition account of our Databricks. And you will directly after setting the password, you will redirect to the login page, and you have to log in with your email ID and that password. That's it. And you will land on a Databricks community dashboard. This kind of dashboard you will land up on. Thanks for watching.